Hello, and welcome to another episode of What's Cooking here at Carroll Lutheran Village. Today we're going to be making a Korean steak bulgogi. We're going to start with a 6-ounce sirloin that's been trimmed right here, and we're going to make an Asian marinade called bulgogi marinade. We're going to have garlic and ginger, about a cup of soy sauce, about 2 ounces of sesame oil, a pinch of black pepper, about an ounce of green onions chopped, and about a teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Mix that together real well, and we're going to pour it over our steak. That looks beautiful. We're going to let that marinate overnight. Okay, so now we have our steak ready to go. We're going to go ahead and put it on the grill. We're going to go ahead and let that cook about 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to turn it as we go, each minute or each 2 minutes, just to get a nice crisscross pattern on there. Okay, so now our steak is ready to come off the grill. We're going to plate up. We're going to serve that with a little bit of our cilantro rice. Go ahead and get that on the plate. That's beautiful. We'll plate up our steak. And we're going to garnish that with what's called an Asian pear slaw. So this is Asian pears, carrots, garlic, ginger, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, and green onions. And there we go, Korean beef bulgogi. And you can get it here at the Village Cafe as well as the Bistro on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday.